Plugging in your information in a system is great, but being able to use that data to produce reports is arguably even more important. Inside of FunctionFox, there are plenty of reporting options. There are up to 16 default reports based on your account type. For now, we're going to focus on one of the most common reports that teams run, which is a client or department report. First, let's highlight the 3 different areas of the report generation page. Top left, we see all of our reporting options. The right side will be our report preview window. And lastly, on bottom left are the saved reports. Let's start with our reporting options. Our first dropdown is range. This is generally the most important dropdown for pulling the data you want. For the report, only data that fits into your date range will be pulled. Sort date will change the order in which your dates are listed. Next is client or department, and 3 options down, report type. Let's highlight both together. Under report type, you will notice 2 options, which are summary and detail. If you're running a report for a specific client or project, detailed reports can be run, which allow you to see specific time entries rather than a simple summary of hours and fees. The project status and type dropdowns also allow you to filter out certain projects and run reports based on the different categories you have set up. Group by allows you to decide how the information gets grouped on the report. All these options will influence how subtotals are presented. Lastly, we have the show dropdown. Monetary values simply allow you to hide or show those values on a report. The other 2 options are tied to running reports in detail. Project costs allow those expenses you have recorded to be included in monetary totals. Edit entry link allows you to edit timesheet entries straight from the report as well. When ready, run the report to review that the information matches the data you wanted to pull. If all looks good, you can save the report in a few ways. In the bottom left, you will find all of your saving options. Let's talk a bit about templating reports. Down at the bottom left, you can save reports. So say on the first of a month, you want to run a report for the previous month. First, let's make a copy so we have the default still saved, then name our template. From there, we need to change our settings accordingly. When ready, just run the report to save your settings. Now you can click the graph beside the name and run the report based on the settings you have saved without having to switch the settings again. FunctionFox has plenty of reporting options inside of the system. If you ever have questions about pulling your data out, please do give us a call or reach out to staycreative@functionfox.com. We would gladly help you and your team stay creative.